Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Charlie from We Bare Bears. Let's get started at the very top of our page with the eyes. So we're going to move over towards the right side of our page. We're going to draw two circles for the eyes. So at the very top, draw one circle. Now we're going to leave a small gap and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line at the top of that circle. We'll come in and all the way back up towards the top. Now for the pupils, we just want to shift this over slightly towards the left. So from the center of this circle, we're going to move over towards the left, draw a black dot. Same thing with the right. We're going to move over and draw on that same size circle. Along the bottom edge of the eyes, right in the middle, we're going to draw an upside down triangle. So a little tiny triangle for the nose. And then we're going to fill that in black. Now let's go in and draw on the mustache. So directly below the center of the nose, we're going to step down. Start with a point. From this point, we want to draw a long U, coming down and then up, and then back to the center. We're going to come down and up towards the right. Let's draw another set. We're going to angle these downwards and out. Come down and out towards the left and up. Now we're going to get a little bit bigger as we come out to the outside. So on the left side, we're going to angle this out even further. We're going to come out a little bit bigger and go up. Now we're going to draw two large ones pointed out sideways. So we're going to go out, round this out, and I'm just going to pull this up underneath the bottom of the eye. Now from here we're going to draw on the top of the head. From the left eye, we're going to go all the way out. We start out here, we're going to curve up and in towards the eye. Now we're going to curve the top of the head, going around the eyes. We're going to bring this back down on the right side. Now this is going to connect with the front of the body. Now the body is kind of like a banana shape. It curves down and over towards the left. So let's start out here. We're going to round out the side of the body. Now we're going to pull this over towards the left and then under. Now directly above the eyes, over the head, we're going to draw the eyebrows. Just a curve coming up and in. Now back on this left side, we're going to add two hairs. From here, we're going to round this out, pull that in. We're going to curve out and then back in towards the side of the head. Now let's curve down towards the shoulder. From this line, we're going to come down and out towards the left side. Let's add some fur on the shoulder. We're going to curve up and out and pull that back in. It's almost like the mustache, but just upside down. Draw a smaller one, going out and in. Draw one more, going out and then back in. Now we're going to tuck the arm in underneath the fur. So just underneath this line, curve down and out towards the left elbow. Now we're going to overlap the forearm. Stepping down, we go up over that line and start to pull that in. Let's add some fur along the wrist. We're going to round this out, pull that back down. Do a curve going up, back down. We're going to do this a few more times, going over towards the left. Do one more. Now we're going to aim this one out and then pull that back in. Now let's take this point. We're going to follow the same curve that we have on the inside all the way down towards the elbow. Now I'm going to curve this up, curving up and then underneath the armpit. Now let's go back up and draw on the hand. So we're going to have the hand open. So at the top of the fur, we're going to go up and out towards the left. We'll round out the tip of the finger and then just follow that same curve coming down. Now we're going to round out the inside of the finger, going around and then back out. Round this out. Now the finger's going to get a little bit longer as you come in. Do this one more time, curving around and then out towards the last finger. We're going to round this out, pull that down and then in. Now we're going to add the thumb. We'll round this out, curve this back up. Round out the thumb. We're going to follow this all the way down and then tuck this in behind the fur. Let's add the palm. So up here, we're just going to curve in and then down. Let's finish the back side of the body. So we're going to follow that curve coming out, round out the back and come in towards this line, but we're going to leave a little gap. Curving down and out towards the left. Round out the bottom. Now we're just going to pull that into right about there, leaving a small space. Let's add some fur in the chest. Starting in here, we're going to curve down and up. Do that again. Come down and up. And we're going to draw a tiny one, going out towards the left and just pull that up. Now let's go in and draw on the right arm. We're gonna line up the shoulder, we're gonna add some fur here. Curving out, and then pulling that in. Do that again, going smaller this time. And we'll do one more aiming down. Now let's go in and draw the arm hanging down the side. So from here, we're gonna come straight down towards the bottom of the wrist. Now at the bottom, we're just gonna curve this out. Let's add some fur along the wrist. We'll round this out and pull that up. Now we do a series of U shapes, just like we did with the mustache. Going down and up. Do this 2 more times. Now the last one, we're gonna curve this out towards the left and pull that up. Now we're gonna follow that same straight line going up underneath the body. So we're gonna blend into a curve going up, all the way up underneath the body. Let's tuck in the hand. So underneath the fur, curve out, and then down towards the thumb. We'll round out the thumb, go up, and then pull that in. We're gonna round out the inside. Now we're gonna curl around the thumb, going in. Let's add 3 fingers. We're gonna round out the finger, follow that same curve going up. Now we're gonna tuck the last 2 fingers in behind. So we're gonna step up here, curve out and up, step up again, curve around the last finger, we'll pull that up underneath the wrist. Now let's go back over to the left and draw on the legs. So he's gonna be walking towards the right. So from this point, we're gonna step out, draw an angled line, coming down towards the knee. Now let's go to the inside. Draw that same angled line, coming down towards the knee to the same height. From the back of the knee, we're gonna angle in the opposite direction. With a straight line, coming down and out. Now let's add some fur along the ankle. We're gonna curve this up and in. I'm gonna do 2 curves, coming down and up. Do that again. Now I'm gonna curve this down and out. Now I'm gonna curve this up towards the knee. Up and in. Let's add in the foot. So from the bottom of the fur, we're gonna step in, we're gonna angle down and out. We're gonna round out the bottom of the foot. Come down and then across. We're gonna add 3 toes. From here, we're gonna round out the toe and pull it back in. Let's add in a second toe. From the tip of this foot, curve out, pull that in. Now the last toe, we're gonna curve this around and pull that in behind the fur. We're gonna add some hair along the top of the foot. Starting just on the outside of this line, curve over, step down. We're gonna draw this 3 times. Now let's draw on the back leg. We're gonna leave a gap in the center. Right underneath the body, we're gonna angle down and out towards the knee. Now we're gonna come straight down. Straight down, and we're gonna curve this out towards the left. Let's add that fur. Curve that up. We're gonna add 2 of those curves coming down. Now the last one, we're just gonna curve this out towards the right. Now we're gonna pull this up towards the knee. I actually wanna add some fur along the knee. So right here, curve out and back in. I'm gonna go outwards, going out and then in. Now we're gonna follow that same angled line, going up underneath the body. Let's draw on the foot. So from this point, we're gonna step in, angle down towards the heel. Now we're gonna curve down and then back up towards the toe. Let's round out the first toe, pulling that in. From the tip of the toe, we're gonna curve out and in the second toe. We'll do this 1 more time. Curving out. I'm just gonna pull that in behind the fur. Let's add the hair along the top of the foot. Draw 3 curves along the top, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Charlie from We Bear Bears. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.